Hello. Been a while. I know. It's been over a month. I've got so many more games to get through. I've had an extremely busy few weeks. It's been crazy busy. And you've got to prioritise family life sometimes, haven't you? But listen, forget that. Hopefully, pretty fingers as well. Moving forward, things is going to settle down, and I'm going to get back into this. Oh, and I went to a place. Look at the place.
Well, Newcastle Gaming Market today. It's going to be a busy one. It's already stout off. Let's see how we get on. Come on, let's go and have a look what we can buy today. Goodness gracious.
It's crazy busy here today. Unbelievable. Some nice stuff though. Right, this is what you can. It's busy now though. It wasn't before busy, but it really is now. Endless. I mean, I'll be honest, I've had a good look around. There's a lot of PlayStation, like talking PS1, PS2, PS3, not so much. Few new bits. Lots of the old Xbox 360 and Xbox and all that. Lots of this Funko Pop stuff. But essentially there's nothing I'm particularly interested in Spectrum wise. Nothing Spectrum. In fact, I haven't seen anything Spectrum at all, which is disappointing because last year there was a fantastic Spectrum stall. And if you want Japanese games, you're in the right place, etc. But nothing Spectrum for me. Sega. No Specky, not a sausage, which is disappointing because the previous couple of years there's been a guy there with a plethora of Spectrum games. That's where I got some of my faves from up there for my collection. So that really is a shame. I do know one shop around here that does sell Specky games, and I'm going to take you up there as well, actually, soon. But I've got some really exciting stuff planned for the next few weeks. Really look forward to it. I'll share it with you all, because I'm really looking forward to it. It'll be good. Anyway, here's what I bought, and then we'll get some Spectrum video games on. So, purchases from the gaming market, first and foremost. And there were actually 3. I was wrong. Check my database, number 3. So anyway, first up was this Under Night in Birth, which I bought for £25 if I remember rightly. No, it was 30. It was £30. I've since researched it. It is like a 2D fighter jobby. Absolutely beautiful, actually, to look at. I'm quite an avid collector of PS3. It and PS1 being my generation. Well, no, SNES was really, but anyway, regardless. Nice bagged manual. Disc is immaculate. Beautiful stuff. So that was the first thing I bought. That was 30 quid. It's a game I'd never played or heard of before. But like I say, I'm a big collector of PS3. I love PS3. A lot of people knock it. One of my favourite systems. SNES was my starting console. I wasn't allowed a computer before that. I did very briefly have a Spectrum, but I couldn't. I was bought the actual unit. I think it was a 128. Yeah, I think it was a 128, and I didn't know how to use it. I didn't know how to load a game, so it was lost on us. Never used it. I was about 5. So SNES was the first game console I was ever allowed. Anyway, second up, the Quarry PS5. This is a game I'd wanted to play for a long time, but I hadn't wanted to foot the bills for it, to be honest. And then I saw it there for £12 and thought, it's reasonable. I enjoyed Until Dawn. I do like a good slasher. I do like a good horror game. And these guys make some good horror games, to be honest. Fun stuff. And the third and final one I bought was this. For the Evercade Duke Nukem 1, 2 and 3D. I love my Evercade. I think I've mentioned this before in my videos, but I'm a very, very big lover of the Evercade. I know Blaze gets knocked a canny bit, But they seem to have stuck with this Evercade jobby, don't they, quite well, up to now anyway. I love the little manuals they give away and stuff. So that's what I bought anyway. It's shite it. Let's go and play some Spectrum videos. First up for the triumphant return, we have Full Throttle. £1.99 and then some. £1.99. Bargain bucket game. Wasn't actually, that seems to be a fairly standard price for a lot of them. Lovely tape there. Like the value range from Mastertronic and things. There's our inlay. Right, let's get this fired up and see what's going on. Going in and rewinding. Yes, it needs rewinding. Bring you back as soon as we get anywhere. Okay, we've rewound it and we've pressed play. Now we hold our breath for some data. Fingers crossed for data. Again, as always, these are all first loads. No clue if any of them will work. Oh. A minor mistake. Let's try again with the correct wires plugged in, shall we? Full Throttle. Was this on the Mega Drive? Oh, hey, we've got data. Was this on the Mega Drive on the Master System? Full Throttle. Oh, was it the arcade game which had the like a boom boom boom, like a motorbike sit on the jobby? Sit on the jobby? You know what I mean. Like a cabinet which you could sit on the motorbike and rev the throttle and lean. Oh, here we go with the outload nut. Full. Flag. Throttle. Will it colorize? Oh, look at this. Oof. Oh, look at his eyes. Come on, colorize. Here we go. Oh, it's a beauty. It's a corker. That's beautiful, that. Very nice. Well played. Right, bring you back. We get the title screen. I'm going to go and peruse the instruction manual. So it says, use the menu system to select any type of game, the course and number of laps. Now we've got left is 1, right is 0, 9 is accelerate, and the bottom row is decelerate, and R to quit and restart. Colliding with any of the other riders results in you temporarily losing control of your motorcycle, and it takes a little time to regain your speed. Spelt wrong, strangely. S-P-P-E-D, sped. Leaving the road or touching the curb slows your progress dramatically, so take those bends at the right line or at the right speed. Have you tried Las Vegas Casino? No, maybe actually I have. Perhaps we did do it. Casino one in the first season. Anyway, bring you back, we get the title screen. Woo! No! We were 3 minutes and 20 seconds into the load, and we've got an RTAP loading error 31. Not sure what that means. Right, let's turn it over, try the other side. Bring you back in a second. Right, we're rewound. Load. PP action. PP action? Ew, I say, sir. You know what I mean. Mind out the gutter, will you? Right, will we get any data on this side? Please be data, please be data. See, but again, this is part of the fun. If I'd have bought these games as a young, and yes, there's a better chance that it worked, because they weren't, what year is this? 1984, maybe? Nearly, 40-year-old, essentially. So they may have worked back then, but it is what it is. This is part of the adventure. This is part of the Spectrum experience in the modern day, using original hardware. Might be different with the emulations, obviously, but that ain't the bag I'm going for. This is about the experience. Look at this program, question mark. That doesn't bode well, does it? Oh, might be a dirty tape. What I'll do is I'll run this side through. Might have to turn it over or rewind it a couple of times, see if we can clean the other side. Okay. I thought we could watch this loading art again together. Oh, because it's so much fun. Again, be a favourite part of my experience with the Specky so far is the loading art. Bloody love it. Oh, we're going. If you hear a noise in the background, it's my son playing with his mates next door. I do apologise. That's life, innit? Like that one there. Full throttle. Full throttle. Come on, come on. Oh. Marvellous. Right, bring you back if it works. Hey up. We have action. Full throttle. 1. Change track from Donington. Oh, Donington Park, right. 2. Change number of laps from 4. 3. Practice. 4. To start racing. 5. Change from keyboard. Best position 40 by 0.000 seconds. Alright, okay. I think we should just go for it, do you? So it's 1 accelerate, 1 left, 0 right, 9 decelerate, accelerate, bottom row decelerate. So let's do this. So 4 to start the race. Yeah. Wish me luck. Tell you what I need to do. You turn this off. Right, let's do this. You ready? Here we go. 1, 0, 9. So 4. Start the race. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we're off. Accelerate was 9. Oh, we're miles away though. We've got sound effects. See if I can get the keyboard to you. Oh man. Oh, sounds like we're going into overdrive. Oh, right. I'm putting the keyboard down. I need my wits about us with this one. Hey, come on, pay attention. No, man. Right, this is it. Oh, I'm there. Oh my God. Give it some beans, oh boy. We need to catch someone up here. I think it was R to quit, was it? Q. I'll admit, racing games have never been my forte, as you will have gathered thus far. But these bends seem to come up on you at quite a rate of knots. And even with a bit of deceleration, full whack. Get ready to decelerate. That was better. And accelerate. Is that one lap? That's lap 1 done. When there's nobody in sight, we're riding all alone through the beautiful Donington countryside. Decelerate. Right, listen, we're going to use this race as a bit of a practice. And then I'm going to go in full steam ahead next race. I quite like the sound effects. It's beautiful, actually. Oh, no. Oh. Bloody hell. Get off the curb. I wonder how far anybody is in front of me. I'm 40th, like, so. Oh. Go on, lad, hammer it. Is this lap 2 done? I wonder how many. Oh, it's 4 laps, wasn't it? I believe. Oh, man. Full pelt. Full pelt. Decelerate, decelerate. So, so decelerating, as you would expect, does enable you to corner more easily. Whew, that's lap 2 done. Oh, you don't need to hold accelerate. You just get it to the required speed and leave loose. That's easier. Oh. No. Ah. No. Oh, we took that like a pro there. Not that one though. It's a bit frustrating if you so much as clip the curb, like you're down. It's pretty much zero. That's it, just flick and hammer it. Oh, lad. 175, all the way up the straight. It decreases for the corner. Oh, it's a bit of a snaky one. Is that a thing? Is that a technical term? I'm sure that's what they use on Top Gear. It's the snaky one. Right, we'll go again. It's at the curb anyway, which is going to slow me down. Oh, 175. Oh. I'm getting better. That's lap 3 done. Shame we haven't seen a single soul this whole race. Right, listen. Let's find out what quit and restart the race was, because I think we've got the gist of this bad boy now. Right, here we go. This is the one. Are you ready? Number 4 for a start of the race. We're staying with these lads this time. Here we go. Oh, no. Oh, man. So there actually is collision. That sucks. Slows it down. Get out of my way, man. Bah, it's ruthless, this. Like, I must overtake one person. No, no. Oh, is that it? It was fun while it lasted. It's rock hard. And like I say, granted, racing games ain't my bag, ain't my speciality. I don't have a speciality when it comes to games. You may have noticed that. But it doesn't mess about, this, like. I would just like to see one person, but I don't think I'm going to. No! I keep thinking that's someone on the left. It's not. It's just the pixels loading in. Oh wait, this is a good bit of racing, this, and I'm still not seeing anybody. Look at that. Look at that. And not a hair in sight. Lap 1 done. Oh, he's turned the wrong way. Oh, I had a momentary lapse. Right, look. Let's start one more. Right, come on. This is the one. We're not messing about no more. We're through. Get out of the way. If they hit me, I hope I'm not penalised. 37, 38. Oh no! Oh no! That's 40th there. Come on. Take over him. Come on. Yes! Yes! Victory! Oh no! Fuck. Oh my god. Oh, I've walloped him there. That's really done us in, that. I reckon, because I was catching up with them there quite quickly, wasn't I? So if I can just keep performing as I am, I reckon I could maybe catch somebody up. There, look at this. Now just stay straight forever. Can I tell you, honestly, the colour on this game is absolutely knacking my eyes. They could have, I don't know, could they have made the races a different colour? Could that have been a thing? Going through though. Oh, man. No. Come on, yellow boy, you can do it. You know what? It's not bloody bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. If only they'd made the other races a different colour than green. I don't know if that's above and beyond the 48K's abilities. You know, be happy with what you got. I would have been very happy with this as a young one. There's quite a good sensation of speed for a specky, I would say. Basic, isn't it? But it works. And that's what matters with games of that era. Oh, that's a bad one. That's a bad one. I think they're well gone now, like. Well in the horizon. Be nice to think we could not come last. Oh, look. Get out of my way. Coming through. You can't help but wallop them as you get to them. Especially when they're not in single file. No. Too much. Just got to race for myself, like you're not racing anybody else. That's the difficulty with these, I found with racing games, is I'm too competitive and I'm like, I must get past them now. I was always terrible at Gran Turismo for that. If like someone appears on my screen, it's Predator mode enabled. Ballsed it up. That's going to cost me a lot of time, that. That's going to cost me a lot of time. I don't know if we're going to see anyone else now for the rest of the race. That was distracting. I think that's my telly like re-signalling itself. Because obviously it's a digital television running an analog. That was good. That was a good corner. Imagine if we didn't come last. Imagine how proud I'd be of my achievements in life. We're going to come last if we keep hitting curbs. And we keep hitting curbs. Look at the state of them. One round. That's it. Out the straight. No one in sight. Oh, we're racing a blinder here and there's nobody around. Ah, give it some beans. There's got to be someone around. Finished. Ah, there's the finish line. Hey, I wasn't that far behind. I wasn't that far behind at all. Boom! Hey, that was cool. Full throttle. Finishing position 40. Whew! Not a bad little game, that. I enjoyed that. And then back we go. Wow. So what we've got, change track from Donington. Let's just see what other tracks there are. Donington, West Germany, Belgium, San Marino, Italy, Yugoslavia, France, Yugoslavia. Is that even a thing anymore? I don't think it is it? France, Silverstone, Sweden. Silverstone looks pretty easy, doesn't it? Yugoslavia looks like a right clad on. In fact, no, San Marino looks like. They all look a bit shitty, really, I'm honest with you. Silverstone looks the best of a bad bunch. Well, very good. Enter to return. So there we go. Right. So, next, we are going to go and have a go at this little baby. I shall show you. Oh, Mrs. Mopp. Mrs. Mopp. Computer Solve Limited. I've only got one hand, so bear with us. There's our tape. Mrs. Mopp. Crikey! And then we'll have a look at this when we load it up. Let's do that now. Alright then. Mrs. Mopp. Let's see what we got. So, Mrs. Mopp by Tina Billett. Thank you, Tina. Computer Soft. Trade St Mark's Hill, Sipton, Surrey. Very nice. Oh, there's not much to it. It's a pretty straightforward jobby. There's your bump if you want to have a read. Move my thumb. Right, let's see if we get any data. And I shall peruse this. Picking up and disposing of objects. Scoring. There's no data thus far. Oh, there we go. Speak of the devil and he shall come. Right, give me this bloody torch so I can read these bloody instructions. Bliddy. The game. Mrs. Mopp is very untidy. Oh, hang on. Mrs. Mopp is loading. Please wait. I'm terrified of missing some loading out here. Mrs. Mopp is a very untidy family who leave their cups, shirts and other belongings all over the kitchen for Mrs. Mopp to clear up. In addition to this, the kitchen also gets dirty and must be cleaned as well as tidied. Being a tidy-minded person, Mrs. Mopp has separate containers for clearing. Oh, that doesn't look particularly special, does it? I don't like the look of that. Anyway. Hey up! Computer Solves presents Mrs. Mopp by Tina Billett. Very good. I love it. Well, Tina, what a cracking little bit of art you've done there. That's made my day, that has. Oh, anyway, let's finish this law, and then we'll wait till we get to the title screen. The containers, however, can hold only 10 objects before being emptied into the appropriate place. When Mrs. Mopp flashes, it must be relieved of her burden. Oh, crikey. I say, Rick Mill would have a field day with these ones. Like any housewife, Mrs. Mopp gets tired and needs refreshment, but careful not to let her overindulge herself. Unlike most housewives, however, Mrs. Mopp does have a limited number of magic spells, which, if used carefully, will assist her in her task. Some movement. Miss Mopp is moved around the screen by using a Kempston joystick or A up, Z down, N left, M right. And a combination of these allows Miss Mopp to move diagonally. Yes, fantastic. P pause, Q quit, S magic spell. Picking up and depositing objects. Before clearing up and carried out, Mrs. Mopp must first be carrying the right container. Oh my goodness. This can be acquired by moving Mrs. Mopp alongside the required object. Then, provided no other container is already being carried. Oh, okay, so you'll automatically equip that one. It will be absorbed into an ample figure. Changing her colour accordingly. Only then can items be moved to them. Each container must be replaced before another can be picked up. Common sense would dictate that the container picks up which objects and their final destination. Dust is not normally picked up and put into the laundry basket there, then emptied into the sink. Dust is not normally picked up and put into the laundry basket, then emptied into the sink. Okay. Right, bring you back and get the loans. Title screen, mirror. And no sooner had I stopped recording than it has loaded. So, Mrs. Mopp. Oh, Mrs. Mopp works hard to keep her house neat. She just glides around because she ain't got no feet. These are her tools. But these items, when tidied, must then be processed through the utensils provided. Press any key to continue. Right, so we've got A up, Z down, NM, or Kempston, P pause, Q quit, P, Q, right, okay. S for a spell. Oh, we'll be doing that, that's for sure. Press J for joystick, K for keys, it's K for keys. A up. Right, we've got red. Oh, we don't want red, we'll need pink, don't we? Oh. Oh. Well, there's no red, there's nothing red. Put the red away, pick the blue up. Blue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It said 10, didn't it? 8, 9, 10. Deposit it in the blue. Hey! So I can't pick that up. So that's just going to make it progressively more difficult then, presumably. Are they vanishing as they appear? Those pink things? No, they're just appearing. She glides. Good. Does our Mrs. Mopp? Oh, shit. I'm not going to get that, am I? Oh, no. Nah. Nah, can't get that neither. Oh, no. Well, how do I clear up the... Oh, I know how I do it. I know how I do it. Get that. Put the blue back. No, put the red back. We're going to go get the pink one. There now. How much of this can I tidy up? All right, we're full. Into the bin. No, I need to get this bit of this here tidied up because I'm having a nightmare getting them. Right, so I want my blue one back. And we go and get... What's the point of this game? Oh, man. Pick up your blue one. Pick up the blue. Worn out. So what do? I'm knackered, but I don't know what to do. So I have to have a rest. What do? Eating something, won't I? I have to go and eat something. How do I do that then? Oh, a bottle of wine up here. There's a bottle of wine, isn't there? Maybe I'll get that. Come on, Mrs. Mopp, get that in the air, lass. Go on. Fit. Wow, we're away. Oh, this is just a very strange game, but I like it. Oh, look, we've got light blues appearing. I need to get some of this rubbish tidied up. Am I against the clock or anything? Or like, is this just it? Oh, I get it. It's going to get rock hard, this, isn't it? Right, now I need... No. No, Mrs. Mopp. Behave your sodden self. Uh-oh. We're stuck. We haven't got any reds, man. We haven't got any fucking red, man. Right, fair, blues are full. No, Mrs. Mama. Oh, is that it then? Cue to quit. A woman's work is never done. And don't I know it. Sorry, your score of 1280 doesn't qualify for a championship. Championship is still Mrs. B with a high score of 6165. Come on, let's have one more go, because it was quite good fun, that. Right, no! Keyboards, even. Let's get this dust straight away. On it with the dust. Go on, Moppy. Right, pick this one up. We're going to go and get some blue. I feel obliged to fill the container. Probably a very poor strategy. However, there's a pink. Right, we're full. So put that there. We'll pick the blue up. Shouldn't take long to get these blues, that's for sure. Oh, I have to go and put this down. Balls. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Have to get back on the dusting in a minute. I'm not getting that. Oh, Mrs. Mopp, man, what are you friggin' doing? Right, we're full. She's full to the gills. She's tired. We won't get the pink and get some of this dust cleared up. Oh, I need to put the blue down. What do I do with the washing machine again? Level 2. Hey, bye, gum. Come on. Knackered. She's knackered. She needs a wine. Oh, I've gone the wrong way. Mrs. Mopp. Oh, behave your feckin' self, woman. Oh, we're knackered here, like. What's good? Why am I black? Oh, Jesus. Oh, Mrs. Mopp, what has happened here? We don't want red. We don't want red. Fuck off, man. Right, dark blue it is. Go on, Mrs. Mopp. Need light blue. That's what we need. Right, we're full. She's full up. And she can't get through. Oh, wait, Mrs. Mopp, you can get through there. Right, I need to try and put that back. I need to go and try and get the light blue one. Or the pink one even. Pink might be better, mightn't it, at this stage. Right, come on, Moppy. She's full. Only picked up a couple. It's my only path through. I desperately need to get blue, light blues. That's it. You're a bit of a space, Moppy. Where's light blue go, by the way? Is that it? Left home. That's it. She's had enough. Sacked it off. Sacked it off, she did. Fun, that. Quite like that one. Fun little game, that. Simple. Simple, just like me. Oh, Magic's Veil. We haven't tried the spells yet. Let's get to a point and do some spell casting. Spell casting. C-L-E-A-N. Nearly blocked out there, like. I'm going to have to go and get that pink one. Right, pink's full. Ah! I must say, she looks much nicer than she does on the cover art. She looks a bit of a Mary Poppins jobby, doesn't she? On the cover art, she looks like a rather gruff old thing. Our fault. Right. Oh no, we need to get to a point where we need to use a spell, don't we? Right, over to the pink. We're getting it now. We're getting it now, Mrs. Mopp. We are the cleaning kids, cleaning all the shit off the floor. Full. Oh. A clean run through there, though. Full. She's full up. She's tired. I'm going to go get her a bottle of wine. Level 2. Go and get some wine, lass. Settle your nerves. Ready for this. Fit. Happy. Right, things is getting real now. So we're going to put that down. Pick that up. Ah. No. Uh-oh. 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 Oof. How did I do that? Come on, Mrs. M. She's fit still. Ooh, isn't she just, I say. Right. Stuff's getting real there. We need to put that down. Pick up the pink. She's full. Now we need the dark blue. Right, we're going to cast a spell in a minute. Let's just get some dark blues. Oh, we're full. Uh-oh. Right, let's spell casting. Here we go. Spell casting. Oh, what does that do then? Oh, does it just clear the ones in their immediate vicinity? Right, out of spells. Damn, that was a counter bloody... That was a proper letdown. That was a real, absolute letdown, that spell there. Oh. Well, there we go. It was fun, that. I enjoyed those 2 games. They were really good. Listen, I'm going to try and get some more of these videos up. I've been terrible recently, but I need to because I love playing my Specky and I'm missing playing it. And, you know, I was reading through Crash magazine recently and there's a thing in there about YouTube channels with a Specky, and I thought, you know, I'm not doing this for views. I'm doing it because I like playing the games, but I like sharing it with people. I really do. Anyway, listen, I'm going to be going to somewhere very special in a few weeks, and I'll take a nice little video and upload it for you. Alright, peace out. See you in a bit.